Network Entertainment.
Spit Manila.
Magandang araw, umaga, hapon, gabi, and welcome to another episode of Tawalets with Spit. And joining me, my name is Monica. Chor! Joining me are Cara, Happy, and
Hello.
Thea. And today, we are going to talk about, we don't know yet, so gusto namin maging organic.
Correct.
So maybe we'll sit here for a while and figure out what's going to happen.
Yeah. Correct. It's good, it's good.
Narinig nyo na ba yung ano? I haven't experienced this yet for myself, but I have a friend who went to like a bell.
A bell?
Yeah, alam mo yun, like they do the bells.
Sound ba?
Yun!
A bell.
It's not even a bell.
It's like a gong, pero balik.
Yes.
Wala lang, naalala ko lang siya.
Correct. We experienced that during pandemic. Naka-lockdown kami nung friend ko. Sa unit lang naman. Nag-play kami nun sa YouTube lang. And then sobra yung parang humiwalay talaga yung soul mo.
Parang
Yun yung contribution ko.
Sa sound.
Actually, gusto ko, I think I wanna,
Sound
gusto kong, ano yun, I want to anchor on that. If there is an instance where you felt that you're outside of your physical body. Oh, G ba kayo doon?
Yes. Sure.
Or something like that. Something to that effect. Like
Out-of-body experience.
out-of-body experience,
experience.
spiritual experience,
May, alam mo, ang
out of clothes experience. Up to you.
up to you.
Okay, up to you.
Outside of the box experience. Pwede rin.
Pwede rin.
Pero yung Pero yung, alam mo, ang ganda kasi recently, ang dami kong beses nakakatch yung sarili ko pag may nangyayaring conversation. Para akong umaalis doon sa mismong situation and pinapanood ko lang yung nangyayari. Have you ever
kanina.
experienced that?
Sabi mo kanina.
Parang, wow, ito yung pinag-usapan namin ah. Wow, ganito na kami ngayon. Pero nandun ako. In real time.
Like parang astral.
May ganun ba kayo? Happy, how about you?
I guess most recently in the process of, because I'm writing a play now under a theater in Sydney. And the premise and the context is very similar to my past self. Like when I was doing my NGO, anti-corruption days. So in a way, it's not like yours na in the present, but kind of when you look at who you were in the past and realizing, wow, I'm so different. And then, pero because I'm in the process of writing in the point of view of that character, parang sometimes na nadadala ka na, ay, wow.
Okay.
So I have to stop. So I have to let go. I'm like, okay, I need to detach.
Ang galing yan kasi yung, well, I'm kind of veering off topic, but yung being somebody else naman, my elder child is very good at writing. So they are turning 15 in a few days. So di ko alam kung anong oras ipapalabas to. So baka nag-birthday na siya. But anyway, they like to write. And what I have read so far are a bunch of poems and very good. Hindi ko dinatayo yung bangko ko. Ang galing niya talaga magsulat. And alam ko to dahil sinabi ng nanay ko na ang galing niya and my mom rarely gives compliments. So, apparently what they do is they take an MBTI test as the character para pag magsulat siya, ina-assume niya yung MBTI nung character na yon.
Ang ganda.
Ano muna ang MBTI, Monica? Para sa mga...
Hindi ko alam yung ibig sabihin ng MBTI eh. It's
My
Brother's
Yun nga eh,
trials.
my
My
brother
brother
thinks
Mayer,
indifferently.
Mayer.
Myers-Briggs.
So it's a personality assessment tool that tells you if you are like several domains. Like the first one is if you're introvert or extrovert. The second one
Yung
is
parang ENFJ.
yes, that one. So if you're
INOJ.
intuitive or
INOJ.
thinking, something to that effect. Parang it tells you how you. Iba kasi yung assessment na ginagamit ko, but it's something like that. It's like the ENTP, ESJ. DOTC.
Feeling or
Pwede tayo
judging.
maglaro ng what are you doing using that. Wala lang.
Pwede.
Not now. As in, like,
Pero hindi ka pa nag-share.
Go, Thea.
Hindi ka pa nag-share.
Out of body experience.
Out of the box, out of the body, out of the house.
No,
Out of this
giving birth.
Oh.
Giving birth. As in,
Out of your body.
out of my body, literally. There's someone going out of my body. Pero yung experience na, okay, this is not anymore about how I feel and how I want to position myself or how I want to react. Hindi lang siya ako. Parang alam ko na, okay, may isa pang entity na meron din sa sarili niyang will and power na kailangan kong pakiramdaman. Because I gave birth naturally without meds, walang anything. So,
Amazing.
yeah. So, na-feel ko lahat-lahat. So, parang, okay. Kahit anong, I think nakatulong yung training sa theater, parang knowing your body, knowing yourself, parang, at least yung feeling of, or that skill of letting go. Parang, okay, this is not about me. Meron akong mga anak. So,
Hindi mo
yun.
talaga control yun.
Hindi talaga at all.
This is very Thea, by the way.
By the way.
This is very Thea. Yeah.
Siguro I'd also liken it to when it's no longer about you and you start being responsible for something else. And I think we all have an experience with that kasi nag-improv tayo. So, by the way, nag-improv kami. Alam nyo yun?
Yes, we're improvisers po. Yes.
And kanina, so we talked about MBTI. And what I'm very proud actually to share is that SPIT is actually a strengths-based group. So what this means is we take another assessment called the Gallup Strengths or Clifton Strengths Finder or whatever it is you like to call it. And we operate on this based on what it is we naturally do best. And what you have found out is a lot of us are very high in empathy. What does this mean? We're very good at hindi yung empathizing specifically as an action, but more of knowing, parang being attuned to what the room is like. And maybe this is what guides us in sa mga shows namin, parang medyo tahimik si crowd, ganyan. And then parang how this is applicable to life is when we are, yun na, di ba, na ang tawag mo rito, na parang I have to let go of this because may ibang tao na involved. Wala lang, so sabihin yun. Ano masasabi nyo?
Ang ganda. I love it. Ang ganda. Uy, curious tuloy ako. Alam niyo ba yung MBTI nyo?
Alam ko
You
lang
know?
E eh.
Parang
E.
Ano yung E extrovert?
Yeah.
For
Extrovert.
sure, that's me.
I'm like E, that's all I know.
Oo.
E to the power of 4.
Iba ko ay.
ENTP?
Parang
I don't
ganun.
even know what the P means. Planning?
Perception, something.
Pwede ba i-google ngayon?
Oo nga eh.
But, dadagdagan
May phone ako.
Dadagdagan ko yung, yung sinabi mo about being an improviser, tapos yung strength mo is, yung malakas ka mag-empathize sa situation and din sa environment. Kasi parang, so sa mga recent shows natin, naisip ko din, kasi nga, di ba, we're doing improvs, we're doing shows, we're doing gigs, and then, sobrang laki nung audience participation, yung engagement ng audience, di ba? So parang, marinig mo, real time, yung response din nila sa ginagawa natin. So personally, ako lang naman, yung feedback. Oo. So ako personally, naisip ko, paano, am I doing good improv right now? Parang ganun, yung skill assessment mo lang sa sarili mo as an improviser. Correct. Kasi sa corporate, meron kang mga i-hit na KPI, di ba? May certain numbers yun. Like for example, nakapasok ako ng 10 clients na may ganitong amount, as an improviser, parang na-realize ko, iba dapat natin is-skew yung mga KPIs na hindi siya number-based eh.
Kasi qualitative siya.
Oo. So parang naisip ko, could it be sa mga principles nga, na parang in every show's by, do I made Mo and Thea happy, look good in the scene? Mga ganong kineme. Pero hindi pa buo.
Mga KPI.
May reflection
Oo.
ka. Nangyayari, every after show ba ginagawa mo yun? Or parang, intentional ba yon or parang natural sa'yo?
Nangyari lang to kasi nag-usap kami ni Angelica. Char. Hi, Angelica. Parang, shout out. So, inano namin, ano yung feelings mo about dun sa weekend shows, ganyan. So, yun nga, parang isip namin, how do you know? Kasi nga, hindi naman natin ma-measure din kasi, di ba, it's improv nga and we don't really have qualifications or basis right now. How do you know if I did good? Parang ganun. Is it based sa audience? Or, sure, oo, mayroon doon qualifications. But, since sobrang improv nga niya, is it now based sa internal skills natin on na directly contributing to the group's performance and you as an improviser?
Meron akong insight, pero gusto kong makinig sa inyo kasi kanina pa akong madaldal.
Sige lang.
Yung when I tell, sobrang gusto ko yan, and I didn't realize that it's something that I'm already doing, and I thought in the beginning I was being selfish about it. Like, when I had fun, it means I had a good show. But, and when everybody had fun, it means everybody had a good show. So, parang doon ko siya tinitignan as a qualitative measure of success. But I also remember when I would tell my students at Third World Improv, www.thirdworldimprov.com. Oy, siya yung gumagawa ng posters, by the way. And what I tell them whenever they do their own shows, because they are expected to do their own, they're encouraged to do their own shows at the end of their learning period. That's also the metric I tell them na, pero nag-enjoy ba kayo? So parang when they say that ay, ang dami kong, syempre, they're criticizing themselves, so I should have done this, I should have done that, pero anong magagawa mo sa improv? Hindi na yun mangyayari ulit eh. No? The moment is fleeting and once it has passed, that's it na forever. So parang sila, dapat ganito yung ginawa ko, dapat ganito yung ginawa ko. And then I ask them, but did you have fun? Kasi what happens is, when you have fun, it translates to the audience. They know that you're having fun, and they have fun too.
They see it.
Diba? And when you said nga that the Filipinos are the best audiences, I feel maybe because ang taas ng empathy, ang taas, maybe, no? Maybe.
I mean, syempre, that's biased also. Pero wala eh.
Yeah.
That's my truth. Kaya, may ebidensya naman ako eh. But true. So, yours is fun as an indicator. Fundicator.
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 Kasi, gets do, kasi kung isipin mo, parang, una art siya eh. Art form siya. So, wala, parang, babalik ka sa usap ng what is art? What makes art good? Diba?
What
Parang,
feeling good and illicit?
diba? O, anong theory anong definition ng art paniniwalaan mo? So, may ganun pa eh. Pero, ang interesting nga, kasi wala tayong director na magsasabi kung okay tong show na to or hindi. Wala alam mo yun? Tapos, meron tayong kanya-kanyang experience. Lahat naman din on the spot ginawa. So, yung even the act of doing it on the spot is already the performance itself, or yung kumbaga yung moment na yun, moment by moment, yun yung improvisation. So being able to say yes and is that already something good? Ba yun yung ganun, parang matatawag mo na bang maganda yung ginawa mo? Kumbaga, ikaw lang man din makakapagsabi talaga kung kahit meron ba akong mas magandang nagawa, meron ba akong mas hindi magandang nagawa, or mga ganun.
Kasi hindi mo nga alam kung na-hit mo yung
Kung anong KPIs ba ang kailangang iset, di ba?
Shoulda, woulda, coulda. And that's me. Every after show, di ba? Talagang pinaprocess mo sarili mo like, I should have done this, I should have done this. And then, but then you go back. But it was fun.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna stop beating myself
Correct.
up.
And if hindi mo ginawa yung choice na ginawa mo, kahit tingin mong sobrang shitty nung choice na yun, hindi naman siya magpo-progress into something na posibleng another thing that made the other players happy also, or mga bagay na nagpa-fun naman din. Kung hindi mo ginawa yung something na mediocre lang sa'yo. Parang ganun.
Alam mo rin yung minsan yung pag nag-show ka tapos parang feeling mo hindi mo na pa-look good yung isa. Ay, siguro share lang namin for context. Parang one of the principles that we abide by is to make each other look good. So this means na hindi namin ilalaglag yung co-player namin. We won't intentionally say, they're pangit. Well, no, that's a bad example.
Except your exes.
Oo, except, hindi
My-
naman sila kasali, kaya,
Oo nga.
okay lang, pangit sila.
Matic not look
But like very very supportive. See,
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
there.
So
It's really, I think nga being an improviser is being like an eternal supporting actor. And I don't mean that in a
Oh, I
way
like
that demeans,
Yeah.
'di ba? Kasi parang it's not about you. It's not about the main character energy. Oy, alam ko yung it's not about the main character energy. The energy is really supporting character energy. And actually nga parang then that's when you realize ang hirap pala maging supporting actor. Because the protagonist, I heard this in a workshop once, the job of the protagonist is just to be affected by everything else. So, kumbaga tayo, if you're a supporting actor towards the protagonist or whoever the lead is, you're creating the stimulus for them to react. And the reason why they can go on a journey is because of everyone else, not because of them deciding. It's parang na-stimulate ka dito, what's your choice now? And then
Now I'm affected.
Whoa!
So tayo yung
Yeah.
nagpo-provide ng out-of-body experience.
Sa bawat isa.
No?
Meron akong gustong
Ang hirap
tanong
nga.
eh. Ay, hindi pa rin siya tanong, input din siya. And dahil nga dyan, di ba tayo din naman usually ang harshest critic sa mga sarili natin, di ba? So, gusto ko lang sabihin yun.
Oo naman.
Sorry, did I
Oo
interrupt
naman.
you?
No,
Or were
no,
you
no,
not okay?
no,
Go, go, go,
You
go.
made me look good. Yeah. Did I make you look good?
Did I? I don't know. I'm not sure. Do you think?
Am I practicing empathy?
Comment below.
Oh, guys, do you think are we okay? Are we okay? Is it okay? Am I giving MCE? Can you say
Nakaganito na
MCE?
eh.
MCE.
Main character energy. Is that a
Ganun
thing?
ba yun?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko din alam.
Akala ko Makati Cinema, hindi. Mali.
Makani Cinema Eclair. Eclair. And then wait. SKL. Skala.
Saka.
Skala.
Iyak.
Iyak-iyak.
Iyak.
Skala. Skala.
I think ito yung best episode.
Oo.
Sa
Imho.
buong
Imho.
podcast.
Skala. Lahat na ng trending. Skala.
Ang title ng episode to, It Looks Good.
Tapos itong episode na
episode
to,
looks good.
mula sa moment na to, iibahin namin yung topic every 20 seconds.
Okay.
Game.
I'll just do my skala about my indicator for a show.
Okay,
It's
okay.
to me, I liken it to the feeling of being busog after a meal.
Oh, that's so cute.
Na parang there's a dish, maybe you didn't enjoy all the dishes, but at the end of the show, you felt full. Yun lang.
15,
Okay.
16,
Next topic.
17, 18, 19,
Saan ka nabubusog
20.
parati?
Next topic. Saan ako nabubusog? Saan nabubusog? Ano yung something nakakabusog? Yun ba?
Hindi, inano ko na pressure ako eh.
20 seconds.
Go, 20 seconds. Ano yung bagay na nakakabusog para sa'yo? Mabilis na
Bagay na
Ano yung pag kinain mo nabubusog ka agad?
Ah,
Parang ako tingin ko,
nilagang itlog.
nilagang
Ay, oo,
itlog.
oo.
Nakakabasog.
Nilagang saba.
yun.
Anything na nilaga.
Nilagang
Pero pag
baboy.
nilagang sabaw, hindi ako ibubusog.
Saba.
Ah,
Saba. Nilagang sabaw.
oh,
Ano yun?
sabaw.
Pwede rin yung sabaw.
Mali.
20 seconds.
20 seconds na yun? Okay, iba naman.
Ito,
Hindi nasagot.
Hindi ako na nga. Hanggang ano, ilang minutes pa lang.
late ka nag-lunch, malapit na mag-dinner. Paano mo mag-gauge kung ready ka na for dinner?
Wait. Late ka nag-lunch.
Sabihin natin, 3 p.m. ka nag-lunch. Dinner mo usually 6. Paano mo mag-gauge kung ready ka na for the
Dapat si
dinner?
Papo sumasagot nito eh.
When your stomach's grumbling.
Ah.
Nafe-feel mo.
No, but you mean you're not gonna have lunch anymore? Or,
No, between the lunch and the late lunch and the dinner.
Paano malalaman na ready ka na mag-dinner?
11.
hindi, ready
12.
ako lagi.
13.
Alam mo, hindi kami nakaka-brunch. Kasi, after brunch, gutom na ako for lunch.
Ganda.
So, I need
Alam
to
ko na.
dinner. Like, how to do that?
I think hindi siya sa feeling, mas sa lasa. Parang, anong ulam, yung kahit na busog ka pa, willing kang
Ka pa rin
kainin
kumain.
pa rin. Okay, yun na yung next topic. Ano yung ulam na kahit na busog ka, willing kang
Nakainin.
kainin pa rin?
Kaldereta.
Yung mga mahirap.
Talaga?
Kalderetang may
Tell
keso.
us more. Tell us.
Kalderetang may kesong maanghang.
Kaldereta na may cheese?
Na maanghang.
Oo nga, parang spaghetti. Ano? Nalito ako.
Kaldereta pasta, pwede.
Yes. Kayo.
Ako, papaitan.
Talaga?
Kasi maasim na
Papaitan
mapait.
ko. That's always what I think of, sorry.
Okay, next.
Saan ka huling na LSS?
Ha?
Ano yung huli mong LSS? Ay, Mon, sorry, sumagot ka na ba sa ulam?
Hindi ako makaisip
Okay.
Ako kasi dessert eh. Hindi siya ulam,
Sige,
dessert.
dessert.
Any dessert. I always leave
Oh,
room for
leche
dessert.
flan.
Yeah.
Leche
Oo,
flan.
leche flan.
Oo, leche flan din.
Ano yung
leche
akin?
flan.
Alam ni Bibay, yung pagkain ko? Ano yung pagkain ko? Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you, yes. So, alam niyo yung Coral Garden? Meron sila doon yung lahat ng may coral sa umpisa. Kasi, yung pangalan ng restaurant is Coral Garden. It's along Aurora Boulevard near the, UERM ba?
Basta Google
Anyway,
na lang nila.
mali. Baka mali. Galing ako sa directions eh. Then, lahat ng may coral before the dish. So, example, Coral Supreme. It's like a fried noodle with a sauce. Hindi naman ako gutom, tas ngayon gusto ko na kumain. And then, Coral Shrimp. It's like camaron rebosado but especial. Coral beef, tama ba? Coral beef.
That's such a boomer dish.
Oo nga.
Oh, fine. Then I call it Coral Shrimp.
Parang,
I just crop it. It makes all the difference.
Yeah, like chicken pastel.
Like the ice cream. Ano yung flavor na ice cream na
Makapuno.
ube makapuno.
Mantikado.
Oo,
Pang 50 and up?
Yeah.
Oh, lapit ko.
Okay, go.
Tapos
Boomer
parang
dishes.
ang tawag mo sa newspaper, periodiko.
Uy, chicken pastel yung may green peas, tama?
Ha?
Hindi,
Okay.
puti.
Bye.
Baked chicken.
I see.
Kung Gen Z na siya, parang baked chicken tray.
Feeling ko Gen Z would put green peas. I'm just saying.
Maybe.
Oo.
Para
I'm just saying.
Para may
Gen Z,
nutrition.
Correct.
Para may go, grow, and
Yes.
glow.
Sa usapang ganyan, are you conscious of your of your health? How are you taking care of yourself? Ganun talaga.
Dropping all the bombs.
Jumping on the box.
I think ito talaga yung best episode eh. Ito yung pinakamaraming views.
Views! Viewpoints
Alam mo
din.
yun?
Hi, my name is RJ Ledesma. I wear many hats. I wish I had just as many heads. I'm a serial entrepreneur and I'm also an entrepreneur mentor. I'd like to invite all of you to please listen to the RJ Ledesma podcast. On my podcast, I listen to inspiring business leaders and entrepreneurs to learn more about how they think about doing business, what are their success secrets, and how we can replicate them, and more importantly, what business opportunities do they see emerging in the near future for us entrepreneurs. Listen to the RJ Ledesma podcast.
Okay, how do you take care of yourself?
With the nutrition.
With the nutrition.
Nutrition.
With the nutrition.
Nutrition.
Oh,
What you
bawas
eat.
oil and stuff.
Air fryer, ganon.
Hindi.
Oo, malaking bagay yun pag ini-air fry mo imbis na piniprito mo sa mantika.
Oo.
Turbo is the air fryer of the boomers.
Uy, mas gusto ko gumamit
Turbo
ng
is
turbo.
better, yeah.
Yes. Meron
Ano
kaming
yes?
turbo ng pungang UFO na see-through na
ISO
salamin.
certified.
Oo, tapos
Alam ko yan.
Sobrang
Ano?
ganda niya visually, di ba? Kita mo.
Maganda yung turbo.
Hirap linisin.
I would either do yoga or be on a treadmill at least 4 times a week.
wow.
Ba, hindi ako nag-gym kasi ayoko lumabas ng bahay eh.
Valid, tama. Oo.
Sa bahay lang.
11,000 steps a day.
Wow.
Wow!
And running 5 kilometers a week. Who is she? I don't know.
Wow.
Let's find out. Yeah. Ikaw naman, Kara.
Ako, alam mo, inaccept ko na wala akong time and energy magluto. So, nakasubscribe ako to a meal plan right
Love
now.
it.
Let's go. Pero, ang hassle na ako kasi may natitira because yung mga schedules din natin na kumakain tayo. I'm like, what is happening? So, yung 1 week ko, nagiging 2 weeks siya. To be fair, thank you, Ref. I'm just saying.
Hindi pera.
So,
So 100% yung savings mo.
that
I
is
would
me.
take one.
That's what I do.
Ikaw?
Oh my gosh. Siguro kumakain ako ng gulay na marami. I think yun.
Ang mahal by the way ah.
Oh, mahal. Oh my gosh.
Oo, ang mahal.
Sobrang mahal. Sobrang mahal ng bilihin. Pansin nyo, parang,
Sobrang mahal.
kunwari, mamamalengke ka, kunwari 2,000 pesos. Mga 2 years ago, marami-rami ka na mabibili.
Oo.
Ngayon parang
Oo.
2,000.
No, we can't. That's just like, no. 1.5 days.
Sabuyas.
Rhea, what's happening? Ano?
Late na kasi yung reference ko. Diba there was a time onion was so
Ah,
mahal.
yeah.
Sorry.
Hindi,
Well,
don't be
there's
sorry.
something
Totoo
else
yun.
expensive now,
May
though,
picture pa ako noon na sinend ng friend ko. 75 pesos yung isang onion na nabili niya.
Grabe.
Grabe yun. Mm-mm.
Ang lungkot nun.
Kasi mas pinaprioritize yung ini-import.
Oo. So,
Tell us more, Thea.
Sa buong episode yan.
okay.
Talk about food security. But like with
We
this
don't have
voice.
it.
Like
Oh,
food
so
security, but you
scared.
have to say it in this voice.
Like, we don't have it
Para may
because...
disconnect.
Okay.
Sige! Para ma-cancel tayo. Nagawa na lahat.
Stop. And
Title ng
20
episode.
seconds na yun.
20 seconds.
40 seconds na yun.
40 seconds.
Seconds. Can you say that?
Seconds.
Seconds.
Okay, give me a word. I'll put 3 syllables kahit 1 lang siya.
Okay.
Pintuan. Ay, pinto.
Thank you. Hindi ko rin gumawa eh.
Pento.
May vowel migration.
Yun ba tawag?
Oo.
Pento.
Ilaw.
Ilaw.
Nasa dulo yung addition. Hindi sa gitna kasi pwede.
But hindi-
Ilaw.
Ilaw.
Dulo. Nasa dulo. Ang
Ganda nito.
radiation.
Ganda
May
nito.
ganun, ba't may...
Pag pinakikinggan nyo yun, pumikit kayo. I-rewind din ng konti,
Yeah,
tapos
ASMR,
pumikit kayo.
ASMR.
ASMR. Ang ganda, very natural.
What does ASMR mean?
Yung mga sounds.
Actual sound? What does it mean? Actual sound moving in reverse.
Okay, blackout. The only audio.
Okay,
Only
ano
audio.
nga mo ng ASMR? Artificial sound. Charot. Murmur.
Ito ba yun?
Okay.
Ano man, meron akong pinapanood. Ay, ano yung mga walang kwenta ninyong pinapanood? Meron akong pinapanood sa YT Bikini Brief. YouTube. Oh, I'll make it 3 syllables also. YouTube. So, I watched on YouTube and I forget what the name of the series is. But this girl, she does, you order from her, right? You order stuff from her and then, it's in the gashapon balls. Tapos, parang lalabas yan, yung kuko niya ganito kakahaba. So, bubuksan niya yung gashapon ball, ganito kalayo. Kasi ang haba ng kuko niya, right? So, buksan niya yung gashapon, ganyan. Tapos nasulat, yellow. Yan, ganyan. Tapos, magkukuha siya, meron siya mga little drawers, and then inside each drawer, there's like a yellow cutter, a yellow pom-pom, a yellow... Alam mo yun? Tapos ASMR lahat. Tapos, pero laging may ganon. Kasi yung kuko niya ganito kahaba. Oo.
Ito ba
Oh, yan.
pinapackage niya?
Ano siya pa-package niya.
Oo.
Tapos pagpansinin mo, yung box kung saan, kunwari, bubuksan niya yung box. Hindi naman yun yung box where the products end up in. It's like another box. I think somebody else is doing it. Meron lahat ng ibang nagsasara ng box.
Magwo-work ba yung ASMR kahit gantong klaseng mic? Hello. Kunyari nakaganto. Pwede, hello. Narinig niyo ba kami? Hello. This is good. Welcome back to Towelettes. Hello. With Spit. Ito ang tunog ng sapatos ni Happy.
Ay, ayan, sige. Thank you, Puma.
Ito ang
Philippines
tunog ng
for
Puma
shoes. Maraming salamat kasi ganun pala yung Puma. Wala pala silang half size. Alam nyo ba yon?
Ito ang tunog ng couch.
Bakit ganun yung pagkasabi mo? Sabi ng mama mo.
Sa ASMR.
Sabi ng mama mo,
This is the sound of the bangles. Brass bangles.
this is the sound of beads. This is the sound of... Ano pa ba? This is a sound of me moving on the couch.
Another couch. Ay, yung button.
Button? This is the sound of a zipper.
Zipper pala, zipper.
Ano ang lesson dito, friends? Ang lesson dito, bago kayong gumawa ng podcast, dapat may topic kayo. Kasi, pag wala kayong topic, ganito yung nangyayari.
Pero ang
Okay,
ganda
marami
nito.
talaga makikinig na to.
Kasi imagine mo,
Ulit-ulit.
naghuhugas ako ng pinggan, ha?
Ang ganda.
Tapos naririnig ko to, wow. I'm just like, wow, I'm with them. Kasi parang, tapos may input pa ako, this is sound of agitations.
I can relate.
Oo.
Ano yan, tunog?
Imagine
I-introduce
mo.
mo yung sound. This is a button. Bakit ganun yung pagsabi?
Wala. Ganun sila sa ASMR.
Hindi iba, hindi lahat.
Hindi ba?
Hindi lahat.
Hindi, yung pinapanood ko, wala siyang boses.
Ay ba yung pinapakinggan namin ni Happy?
Gusto nila yan na ganyan.
Pare, ito tunog ng buhok. Ganito. Ito tunog ng buhok,
Uy, which brings
Sabi ko sa'yo.
me, nalala niyo yung Tunog Tao performance?
Oh my gosh!
Ano yun?
Oo, alam nyo, ang hirap patunogin ng kilikili.
Saan channel ba yun?
Sa Itbulaga, I think, Itbulaga ba yun dati? Sabi ko sana sumalangit na. Meron ba Itbulaga? Hindi ko alam. Basta Itbulaga yata dati. Basta yung show na may Tunog Tao contest.
Yes.
So,
Sound
ano
like a
yun?
person?
No. Gagawa ka ng mga, magagagawin mong percussion instruments yung katawan mo. So, tsaka yung
Parang acapella ba?
ganyan.
Amazing. No, I don't
Tsaka
know.
beatbox pero
Papatunogin mo
kilikili.
yung ano,
Paano kaya tutuloy? Medyo dapat konting basa. Ganun.
konting
Yung basa.
Para may friction.
May ano.
Paano yun? Itong ngipin. Ganon.
Oh, tama yung may...
Yan, isipin mo beatbox, pero lahat tunog ng katawan.
Amazing. Grabe, no? Minsan, pag ang dami mong time, no? Meron ka naiisip na out of the box
Tsaka
idea.
kapag magaling kayong banda na ganon,
Oo.
may cash prize.
Oh, cash pala eh. Oh, alika na, mag-practice na tayo.
Tunog tao. I think kailangan ibalik yung tunog tao contest.
Feeling ko may game dito.
Game, yeah, tunog.
Sound effects. Ay, meron na.
Oo nga pala.
Meron na pala. Okay.
Dapat organic.
Yes.
Dapat organic.
How about
Dapat
sound
organic.
effects pero ASMR?
Ay!
Ha?
OMG.
Paano
Do
yun?
they will send a sound and then you...
Yeah, you ask the audience, put objects in this bag. Tapos yun lang ang pwede mong gamitin as sound effects.
Tapos i-record yun.
pwede. Or
Tas
live,
again.
live mo.
Live.
Yeah. Try natin bukas agad.
Bukas yung experimental yung tunog, tao, spit, improv,
Tunog, spit.
Wow.
Wow.
DTSI.
Nag-enjoy ba kayong makinig to? Makipakinggan to? Ikaw na nakikinig ngayon. Na-enjoy mo ba to?
Hey, hala,
Umuo
nga pala
ka.
may manood.
Umuo ka.
Are you having fun?
Are you having
Di ba
fun?
yun? Kasi metric pala sa amin yun eh.
Fun
Metric of
indicator.
success yun eh. It's a fundicator. Are you having fun? Because it's a fundicator.
Yes. I think tama na itanong din natin sa sarili natin, are you having fun?
Are
you having fun?
Are you having fun?
Interlude.
Are you having fun?
Are you having
Inter-
fun?
www.interlude.com.
Yes.
Tapos may animation na sumasayaw pero yung kanta mo yung I said I love you but I lied. Tapos may
It's the dance
May
dance
kumakanta ng mga avatar. Ay, may sumasayaw ng avatar.
Oh, alam
or
ko yun.
panawin na hysterics.
Alam ko yun.
Alam mo, bagay yun sa reggae. Na-imagine ko na.
Reggae in the Banawe
Oo,
hysterics.
like, kailangan natin yung mga steps.
Na hindi match.
Oo.
So, dapat slow. Ganun. Sige nga. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ay, 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 ay.
I'm having fun. I'm having
I'm
fun.
having
As
fun.
long as you're having
I'm
fun.
As
having
long as
fun.
you're having fun. As long as you're having fun.
So, natakot ako bigla kasi na-realize ko, ay, may manonood pala.
May makikinig.
Ay, may
makikinig. So,
Baka they're gonna say, kailangan, makabuluhan.
hindi, meta na to.
Bakit
meta
makabuluhan
na to.
naman ah?
Pinag-uusapan natin, ano bang, what makes a podcast good?
Yes.
Like, ikaw, pagkatapos mong mapakinggan tong episode na to ngayon, mag-reflect ka. Ikaw ang gumawa ng sarili mong criteria.
Mm.
Paano ba nagiging maganda ang isang podcast?
Leave it in the comments below.
Leave it in. Oh, is there such a thing? Like they can put comments?
I think we can interact.
Oh.
Saan? Sa Dropbox.
Ito yung maganda.
Sa Dropbox!
Kasi nasa tunog tao pa tayo eh. Tunog tao pa tayo eh.
Go! Go! You were gonna say something.
No, you go first. You go first.
I would like you to go first.
Thanks, man. Ang akin lang, choice naman lahat eh. Kung gusto mo pang ituloy yung pakikinig sa episode na to, go for it.
Tama.
Diba? If hindi, okay lang, skip mo na to. But choice mo yun.
Oo.
I'm so ano kasi, what do you call that? I'm so madali peer pressure, ganyan. Parang, I know what people always say, don't listen to what other people say, but I really do eh. Parang ang bilis kong ma-affect. So I second guess myself all the time.
Won't you say that's feedback though? Like, isn't that a response to feedback?
Yeah, pero parang also, parang pinangungunahan ko siya. Kahit hindi ko alam i-ano.
Oh, but
Para siyang analysis paralysis.
what do you do about it?
Me?
Yeah.
Kumbaga kung may fight or flight, I'm a flight.
Oh, okay.
I'm a flight. I'll just go to the bathroom and cry. Wait, why did I laugh? Wait, yeah.
Gusto ko yung sinabi to ni Happy na inmabot namin sa 30-minute mark. Kasi baka maybe this is already the topic for the next podcast episode dahil yung next group mapapasok, meron na silang podcast plan.
What if we make an outline for them?
What if we make an
Okay,
outline for
ayan ka
them?
na naman sa pagsusulat mo,
Number
Happy.
1.
Dati, meron akong habang kinukuha ni Happy yung stylus niya, meron akong bibilin dapat. Inisip ko kung bumili ng stainless steel na lalagyan ng bigas. Tapos bago ko bilhin, talagang si Happy, pinareflect niya ako kung want ba yun or need. Tapos ano yung mga under the wants, under the need. So, pero turned out, need.
It's a need. It's a need. It's a trash can.
No, it's not
Oh, sorry.
can.
Lalagyan ng bigas.
Lalagyan ng bigas.
But
Para
Ayan,
hindi-
3 episode.
But
3
it's a stainless
syllables.
steel. Stainless steel na lalagayan na ng bigas. And it's insect proof. Kasi yung kasi si Thea, pag bumibili ng maraming kilo ng bigas, nakasako lang siya. So, yung sako, napapasukan siya ng mga insekto.
Ano yung plan natin sa kanila?
Outline.
Well, the last thing that you said, the analysis paralysis, that's good.
Dahil pinag-usapan natin yung mga languages, baka pwede lang pahapyawan yung G-words.
What's that?
Ano yun?
Agano gong ginagawa ga, nigimo go.
Oh my God! Nabutan mo yun? Di ba Gen Z ka?
Egela go.
Do you know the horse language? Horse yung digadig, parang,
Ay, hindi.
kunwari,
okay.
that camera, dagadat,
G-rin.
Hindi, pero lalagyan mo ng bradadat.
Ah.
Parang dagadat, that sound.
Ganda. So, kung G-words ng tawalets, tagawaga, legets, wigits, pigi, igit.
Oo, Tagawagaligets. Pero yung sa durudugudug, ano?
Teka, hindi, sa next sila na mag-usap
sige,
na.
So, abangan sa ating next episode ng Tawalets with Spit Manila where they're going to talk about the following items. Happy?
Analysis paralysis. Number 2, G language, mga different languages. And number 3, wild card, their choice.
And any final words para sa ating mga...
I'm having fun. Sobrang saya nito. This is my favorite kind of conversation.
Si Kara yun. Kung kanina sinabi nyo, ako yun. Ito si Kara to.
Si Kara.
Ito si Kara to.
How about you?
Yeah. Oh.
Ay, kailangan ba makabuluhan?
Hindi. Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
so
out of the box.
Out of the box. Instead of shopping new clothes, why don't you shop from your past self? Look at your closet.
Tama, tama.
Tama.
Sagalagamagat.
Application.
And that's it for this episode. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.